Welcome dear students. Good morning to all of you. Today, without wasting much time, let's begin our work. We have already started 8th chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry. I have already explained to you 6 different types of trigonometric ratios. Let's quickly revise. When I explained to you, we were talking about adjacent side, opposite side, etc. We'll try to revise this point once again with the help of first question of exercise 8.1. In exercise 8.1, our first question is in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, and we would like to determine sine of angle A, cos of angle A, second part sine of angle C and cos of angle C. This is our question. To answer this question, let us try to begin with the first part. In first part, we would like to find out sine of angle A. So let us mark angle A first of all. Angle A. When I explained to you in the beginning, I told to you that with reference to which angle we are talking about, that is very, very important. In our first part, we are talking with reference to angle A. Now, in the figure you can see I have marked angle A, the side opposite to angle A. Can you name it? What's the side opposite to angle A? It is BC. So, BC is our opposite side. BC is the opposite side. You know very well the side opposite to right angle, we always call it hypotenuse. Our angle B is the right angle. The side opposite to angle B is AC. So this is our hypotenuse. Now the side AB is remaining. Its name is the adjacent side. Angle A contains the side AB, and that's why AB is the adjacent side. So AB is our adjacent side. Adjacent side. So first of all, you must be clear in your mind about the three names. Which one is opposite side, which one is adjacent side, and which one is the hypotenuse. Then out of this, then 6 different ways we are able to get the ratios that I already explained to you. The very first one I explained to you is the ratio of opposite side to hypotenuse. Ratio of opposite side to hypotenuse. It has been given the special name sine. Sine of angle A. Then ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse, we have named it as cos. And the ratio of opposite side to adjacent side, we have named it as tangent. And then I have explained to you that sine and cosec, they are reciprocals of each other. Cos and sec, they are reciprocals of each other. Tan and cot, they are reciprocals of each other. So that is our 6 different triangle given to us is triangle ABC. Very simple diagram you will be drawing in the examination or in your notebook. Just right angle triangle you have to draw, and which angle is right angle you have to mark it, so that easily you can make out which one is the hypotenuse. And then with reference to which angle you are talking about, that angle also you mark. In our first part of question number 1, we would like to talk about angle A. With reference to angle A, we would like to find out the trigonometric ratios. So, angle A we will be marking for the first part. So, with reference to angle A, BC is our opposite side, AB is adjacent side, and AC is our hypotenuse. Now, the measurements of the sides are given. Length of side AB is 24 centimeter. Length of side AB is 24 centimeter, that is given to us. Length of side BC it is given to us 7 centimeter. Length of side BC is 7 centimeter, and we don't know the length of the side AC, that is the hypotenuse. But if you want to find out the values of the trigonometric ratios, we must know the length of all the three sides of the triangle. Then what is to be done? Very simple. We know very well Pythagoras theorem. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we will first calculate the length of the side AC. And once we get the length of the side AC, then easily all the trigonometric ratios can be calculated. So, having drawn the level diagram, let us begin our calculations. We can start like this. For right triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem. You know very well Pythagoras theorem. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So accordingly, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. This is our Pythagoras theorem. So with the help of that, we will do the calculations. We need to find out the length of AC. AB and BC, we know it. AB, how much is AB? 24. We will use bracket. 24 whole raised to 2 plus length of BC, it is 7. Even though it is single digit, still we will write it inside the bracket. Now, you must be very fast in your calculations. You must know how much is the square of 24? It is 576, and square of 7, 49. Its total we will do very common, 625. So AC square is 625, and most of you know 625 is square of which number? So directly we will be able to write, therefore AC is equal to 25. So now we know the length of all the three sides. So we are in a comfortable situation. We can find out any trigonometric ratio. In our question, we would like to find out sine and cos. So sine A and cos A we shall be calculating. Now, sine A. Question yourself, sine A, it is ratio of which two sides? If you forget that thing, you will not be able to answer this question. Sine is ratio of which two sides? Yes, it is ratio of opposite side to hypotenuse. Now, according to our diagram, which one is the opposite side? Then opposite side is BC. Opposite side is BC. And hypotenuse, what's the name of the hypotenuse? It is AC. Then we substitute the measurements of BC and AC. BC is 7 and AC is 25. So we got the first answer. Sine of angle A is 7 upon 24. Cos of angle A. Again question yourself. Cos of angle A. It is ratio of which two sides? It is ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. According to our diagram, adjacent side is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. So AB upon AC. Now we already know the length of these two sides. How much is AB and how much is AC? We substitute. AB is 24 and AC is 25. So that is our first part is over. Now in the second part we are asked to find out sine of angle C and cos of angle C. So to avoid any mistake, you can draw the diagram again, label it properly. It is very simple diagram. Very small diagram you can draw just for your reference. Name of our triangle is ABC. Angle B is right angle. Now in the second part, with reference to angle C we would like to talk about. So what you will do? Just label angle C. Of course in the board examination two parts will not be there. You will not have to draw diagrams two times. Just one of the parts may be asked in the board examination. So just once you will be drawing the diagram. But as here we are talking about the two parts, second time we are drawing the diagram to avoid any kind of mistake. So angle C is labeled. Now you are clear in your mind that now AB will be the opposite side. Once again I repeat, with reference to angle C, AB will be the opposite side and we writing the answers. Now second part, in second part we would like to find out sine of angle C. Sine of angle C we would like to find out. Sine, it is ratio of opposite side to hypotenuse. Now which one is our opposite side according to our diagram now? AB is opposite side. AB is opposite side and hypotenuse, it is not going to change. Hypotenuse is AC. We already know the measurements of AB and AC. AB is 24 and AC is 25. So that is how in second part sine C we have calculated. Then we are asked cos C. Cos C. Cos is ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. According to our diagram with reference to angle C, BC is the adjacent side. So it is ratio of BC to AC. We substitute the measurements of both BC and AC. BC is 7 and AC is 25. So that is how in our question number 1 we were just asked only two trigonometric ratios. Even if we were asked sec, cosec, tan, cot, whatever trigonometric ratios if at all they ask in the examination, the method is not going to change. You may be given the length of only two sides. Your first step will be with the help of Pythagoras theorem, find out the length of the third side. That will be your first step. Use Pythagoras theorem to find out the length of the third side. Once you know the length of all the three sides, your second step is, according to the definition, you must be able to name sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot, etc. And then only you will be able to give the correct answer. If you forget the definitions of these trigonometric ratios, then you will be just able to calculate the length of the sides, but you will not be able to give the correct answer of trigonometric ratios. If the question carries 2 marks, you may be able to get just sometimes half mark or at the most 1 mark. So please be careful. learn the definitions of trigonometric ratio and you must be able to write it properly. I hope you are getting it. And dear students, this is live streaming, right? And as it is live streaming, you know very well, you are just listening to me, and you are not able to write in your notebook. Don't worry about that thing. You are going to get the material, the written material in your WhatsApp group. So don't have any such kind of tension. Another thing I would like to tell you is, this is live streaming. But you know very well, you are I think more advanced in technology than me. You know very well that whenever you open this link once again, anytime, even after 1 month, if you want to watch this video, you will be able to watch it and you will be able to understand all the steps. Due to limitation of time, we are not going to continue with the question number 2. With question number 1, first part and second part's calculation, we end our period. Thank you.